Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this lecture, we will start with arithmetic progression. Okay, uh, I'm going to start this class 10 series. In this series, I will try to capture all the topics of class 10 one by one. I'm starting with arithmetic progression. Okay, so arithmetic progression. In short form, it is written as AP. Okay. So what is arithmetic progression? So arithmetic progression is nothing but I'm talking about a sequence. I'm talking about a sequence in which in which the difference in which the difference of successive terms is constant. It simply means it simply means that if I'm talking about T1 that is first term and talking about T2 that is second term and T3 that is third term and so on. So if I take any two successive terms that is T2 and T1, so the difference that is T2 minus T1, the difference of second term and first term is T2 minus T1. Similarly, if I go here, it will become T3 minus T2. It will become T3 minus T2. So the definition of AP says the difference should be constant. It means T2 minus T1 should be equals to T3 minus T2 and it is constant, which is D. Okay. So I am repeating AP is a sequence in which in which the difference of successive terms is constant. And there are three terms here T1, T2, T3. So what would be the difference? The difference is T2 minus T1 and here it is T3 minus T2 and this is nothing but D. So D is called common difference. D is called common difference. D is called common difference. So if D is common difference and let's say T1 that is first term, T1 that is first term, let's say it is A. It means the first term would be A and for second term you just have to add D to it that is A plus D. And for third term you'll have to put an extra D that is A plus D that is A plus 2D and fourth term it is A plus 3D and so on. So we came to know that the AP format or representation is nothing but A plus D, A plus 2D and A plus 3D and so on, where A is first term and D is common difference. So if I want to give you an example, what is an AP? So suppose if I am writing 1, so what is 1? This is first term. And suppose D equals to 2 here, so I'm going to add 2 to 1, that is 1 plus 2, it will become 3, 3 plus 2, it will become 5, 5 plus 2, it will become 7 and so on. So 1357 is our AP. 1357 is our AP. Is it clear till now? Okay. So suppose if I am writing 5 and I am adding 5 to it, that is, it will become 2 pi and further it will become 3 pi. So this is an AP. What is it? Our first term T1 is equals to nothing but pi, and for the calculation of D, we will use the formula T2 minus T1. What is this? T2. This is T2, and this is T1. So T2 minus T1, it is 2 pi minus pi, that is pi. So I hope you are getting the clarity of AP. And so till now, I have discussed about what is an AP, what is an AP, and I have discussed about first term, and I have discussed about common difference. So next, uh, our topic is identification, identification of AP. So suppose in a question, you have been said to identify which of the following are AP or not. Okay. So, so to identify AP, so to identify AP, what you have to do, you have to do find T2 minus T1, and further you will find T3 minus T2, and further you will find T4 minus T3, and so on. Okay. So see, here this is 2, here this is 1, here this is 3, here this is 2, and here this is 4, here this is 3. Okay, so these are called common difference. So D is nothing but common difference. So T2 minus T1 is equals to T3 minus T2 is equals to T4 minus T3. If all the difference becomes equal, then it is equal. Okay, so if you are finding the difference of successive terms and this difference is becoming equal to every continuous difference, okay, so this will become an AP. So I'm giving an example. Suppose this 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 dot dot dot. We have to check, is this in AP or not? Is this in AP or not? So to solve this, we know this is T1, this is T2, and this is T3, and this is T4. So what will we try to find? We will find here common difference. And what is the formula of common difference? This is T2 minus T1. So what is the value of T2? It is 4. What is the value of T1? This is 2. So 4 minus 2 will become 2. Similarly, we can also find T3 minus T2. So what is the value of T3? It is 6. What is the value of T2? That is 4. That is 6 minus 4 equals to 2. Again, we can find D equals to T4 minus T3. So what is the value of T4? This is 8. So we are putting just here 8 minus 6 equals to 2. Okay. So all the common difference, that is this 2 and this 2 are equal. Hence given sequence is an AP. Hence given sequence is an AP. Okay. So clear till now? So I will take one more question. Let's see how it goes. The question is, this is 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4. Now we have to tell this is AP or not. So simply for identification of AP, we'll have to say this is T1. This is T2 and this is T3. Okay. So we have to find D, which is equals to T2 minus T1. So what is the value of T2? It is half minus 1, that is minus half. And next D is nothing but T3 minus T2. So this is 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2. So LCM we got 6 and this is 2 minus 3, that is minus 1 by 6. So this D and this D, are they equal? Are they equal? Answer is no. Hence it simply implies the given expression is not an the given sequence is not an AP. So till now we come across what is AP, first term, common difference, and identification of AP. Okay. So for further topics, we will meet in next video. For then, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you.